We are so excited to greet you and to be here with you tonight and at Ateret Kohanim. We love Yerushalayim. We go all the time, and every time we return we want to make Aliyah faster than we did the last time. We're hoping that through Ateret Kohanim they will help us reach our dreams, and if you haven't seen Yerushalayim through the eyes of Ateret Kohanim, I encourage you all to go.
I put a few brief remarks down on paper that I would like to share with you, and one of them happens to be very personal about my mother. Most of you don't realize or know that my mother is truly a Palestinian. She was born in Jerusalem, Palestine in 1927, and my grandfather, who was there at the time, received smicha from Rav Kook. One day, as a little child, my mother went to a markolet with her brother. Her brother went inside, and she's outside waiting for him when an Arab came along and enticed her with an orange to distract her. Before she knew it, he took out a sack, threw her in the sack, threw her over his back, and started running off with my mother. Thank God a British soldier happened to notice that my mother's ponytail was sticking out of the sack, gave chase, and he dropped my mother, and the rest is history. Nothing has changed since then. Fast forward to an article from a Root Sheva from August 2014. The title says it all. I quote, Hamas, our war is for liberating Jerusalem, not lifting the blockade, period, end quote. Ladies and gentlemen, make no mistake about it. The entire world knows that Jerusalem is the heart and soul and body of our nation. Take Jerusalem from us and we are done. And make no mistake about it, the entire world knows it, the Arab world knows it, and they are trying constantly to achieve their goal, to take it away from us.
This is the dedication of a playground that Eddie and I, through Ateret Kohanim, were very lucky and fortunate to be able to sort of spruce up, reclaim, get it ready for the children. As you can see, beautiful gym sets over here for the children to be able to play in. And grass was put in, and it's really beautiful, and I really want to thank Ateret Kohanim for being able to enable us to be able to really do this mitzvah. It's really a very big space. We really need to be able to reclaim Yerushalayim, take back what really belongs to us, and really show the world that what it says in the Chumash, that God gave us this land, and until He takes it away from us, this land belongs to us. Come buy homes here, invest here, and you'll see that it'll repay double, triple, and whatever sussum you'll be able to get.
But without the ruble, this wouldn't have got off the ground. On behalf of everyone here from Ateret Kohanim, Toda Rabba to both of you, and maybe this will be the first of many projects, and maybe inspiration, more importantly, for maybe others, even at this dinner, to maybe do something. Steve and Henny helped build the playground, the Flowers Gate, and for all these children who love it. אתם אוהבים את זה, כן? כן. רוצים להגיד תודה רבה לסטיב והדי? This is the future. This is the future of Am Yisrael in Yerushalayim. Look at these kids. Over 100 kids came today for the activities. For Steve, Hedi, all those who helped with the Flowers Gate. We're here at Bet Zion. Now we're going back across the roads where the playground is at the Flowers Gate.
The men, women, and children of Ateret Kohanim are at the forefront for us to make sure we, our children, and our children's children, for posterity, have a place to call home. Think about it. We might not think twice about spending $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 on a playground in our backyard for our children or grandchildren, but we would spend the same amount of money for Jewish children in the Arab Quarter who need a respite from the rocks, Molotov cocktails, and now knives.
It was Stephen's idea to dedicate this vibrant playground in memory of his parents, as well as my parents, who are Holocaust survivors. I'm positive that our parents are smiling down at the sounds of children's joy and laughter. Jewish children back where they belong. We are here to stay.
I ask you to open your hearts and yes, your pockets to support this great organization. Do we want a Jerusalem that looks like this, or do we want a Jerusalem that looks like this? I think you all know what the answer is. It's quite obvious.
We would like to thank all our friends, family, Rebbeim, fellow honorees who are here sharing in this important organization with us tonight.
And we want to thank everyone who's affiliated with the Teres Kohanim for all the tireless work that they do for Jerusalem, for Israel, and for
Klal
all of Klal
Yisrael.
Yisrael. Thank you for coming and enjoy the rest of your evening.